Hey there, welcome. So, we have a problem with recording the screen on macOS using FFmpeg. When using the standard command without specifying the frame rate, we end up with a super high frame rate that causes issues when stopping the recording. The MacBook Pro gets noisy and a persistent message appears even after stopping. Not ideal, right? Now let's dive into the solution. The log we checked revealed that initially, FFmpeg doesn't receive enough frames to detect the input frame rate properly. A neat trick to bypass this issue is to use the FPS_mode pass-through parameter. By adding this to the command, FFmpeg will simply pass through the input frames without any adjustments. Super simple, yet effective. To wrap it up, remember, when facing a too high frame rate issue while recording the screen on macOS, opt for the solution of adding FPS_mode pass-through to your FFmpeg command. This nifty trick will allow FFmpeg to handle the input frames smoothly without causing any hassle. Hope this helps you out. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Stay cool and keep creating awesome content.